But today I'm wearing a hat. Something different. I know. Why am I wearing this hat? Because, well, first I put my hair like this, right? I brushed it down, blah, 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 because I had an 8:45 class on El Zoomy Zoom. And so I woke up at 8:43. You know, computer right over there. I didn't have my camera on anyway, so that's not when I did my hair. After that class, I came over here. Well, first I took a shower. Then I came over here, braided my hair a little bit, brushed it down. I was wearing a headband originally, but then I saw this hat that I never wore yet, and I was like, why don't I wear the hat? I've been wearing the hat since. That's why I'm wearing this hat. Anyways, irrelevant information. I guess I'll just take it off now. Okay, so today we're doing a passion twist. I took my braids out maybe like 3 weeks ago, maybe 2.5 weeks ago, and I'm putting more in because I'm going to school next week and I actually have to go to class. Well, there's only one class I have to go to. It's 3 times a week at 8:45 in the morning. Who's dealing with their hair at all? I'm not unbanding it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not brushing it. I'm not gonna try to do my edges. No, I'm gonna just take the bonnet off, got my little braided braids, do my edges, because I mean, nothing, like I can do my edges real quick, even though I just complained about it for whatever. But anyways, do my edges, get my book bag, and leave. Plus, this year, I really want to do more hairstyles. So, shoot, you know, we started now because why not? Why not? Ain't no answer. Ain't no answer to the why not. We gonna hop right into it, okay? First, I'm gonna unbraid my hair. I've had these in for probably 2 days. I'm gonna unbraid my hair and blow dry it. Most of y'all know my little blow dry routine, hence why, you know, I'm taking these out of braids. But in case you don't know, I'll show you. Ooh, my hair smells good because I put my little minty oil. I love that oil. Oil and me, best of friends. But it is real minty, so it's getting real airy over here. I've had some serious hair growth. I just compared a TikTok I did a year ago, like a year ago in this month. Post TikTok in February. That was the length of my hair. And then when I did my last hair video and I was like putting the Aztec healing clay in there, I was like, wow, my hair's really long. And like, I can't believe those were a year apart. Anyways, got nothing in my hair but some oil and a little bit of hair grease, right? Right. Wrap this side back up, even though I just put it back down, but we wanted to unband it. And to take our air dryer, blow dryer. We're gonna take the little nozzle piece, put it at the bottom. I mean, where else would you put it? Bundle this part up. Going to spread this out a little bit, just a little bit. And it's all dry, but I want it straighter, like I want it more blown out. Now we're going to put this on high, temperature on hot. I'm going to put this along my hair and just stretch it out more. Feel me? Okay, so you got the section all good in the hood. Do the same thing to the rest of the sections, but since my hair is really dry already pretty much and I just want it like more, you know, I'm gonna just do bigger sections. I mean, I never really need to do little sections, but like, I don't know, I guess, like, you know, I'm just saying. Hair smelling minty. It just looks gooder, better and better. Guys, this has nothing to do with hair, but my biology teacher and chemistry teacher, goats. Just too hype about that. Before I did this video, I spent 1 hour and 30 minutes on a Zoom with my professor teacher. He doesn't even like being called professor, but I'm not gonna say his name because I don't know, that seems rude. Anyways, spent 1.5 hours on Zoom with him. He helped me so much because I'm gonna be honest, haven't taken biology since middle school. I had no clue. I had absolutely no clue what was going on. Every time he said something, I'm like, okay. I sat in class today like, you know what? No, We had to turn this little discussion thing in, but it's like worth 20 points. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get a good grade on this, even though I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, and he was like, we can do this whenever, just gotta let me know. And I was like, not me having a good professor. Anyways, this is how this side looks. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Okay, so hair's all done. Hair's blow dries. So let me tell you what I got at the hair store today. First, I got some Shine and Jam. I probably didn't need this much, but like, that's fine. Look at that. One little dot. That stuff smells good. I mean, I probably didn't need this much, but it's like, I'll have it for future references, you know? I got some rubber bands, and I got the hair. Now, don't worry. I mean, not that you're worried, but I think this is long enough. I got this 2X Easy Passion Twist. 1B, 18 inches. I don't know too much about weave and braids, so if this isn't a good brand, so be it. We're gonna spice it up a little though, because like I didn't find a like legit brown, like a goldy highlight brown, but it's fine because I'm gonna put 4 brown in the front. Okay, so like 1 2 1 2 3 4 twisties, 1 2 3 4, and we gonna have brown at the front. I ain't never had no type of other color whatchamacallit in my head, but if it looks stupid, I mean, we can put, you know, black back up there. My hair's already in the middle part, right? Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair. It's going to take me a long time to part my hair because nobody's home. So I don't have anybody to ask for help. And that means I'm going to have to rely on this other mirror I have that I'm about to put in the back of a chair for help. You know, I'm gonna have to rely on that. And that's gonna take me a minute. But I'll show y'all my, I mean, y'all not missing too much, but I'm gonna show y'all my parts. And I'll be using this, and when I get done with my parts, then we're gonna start on the Shabana-Nam. I'm not gonna be doing the parts too big. Like, okay, if I did an example of a piece I wanted it to be like I want the pieces about, hypothetically speaking, like this big. But y'all get what I'm trying to do, you know? Y'all get what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't want them too tiny. Like, I like big twists. Like, I like big braids. Like, I don't like things too small. If it's like, if I do get something like small, I want to get it done by somebody. Like, I want them to look real neat. I don't want to do that because, but I do like the way bigger braids look on me. Finally finished parting everything. That was stressful. Like, it wasn't stressful, but it was like stressful. I promise you, I did this for probably 3 hours. Are all my parts even? No. They're not. Yeah, up here, yeah, for the most part at least. Is anybody gonna whoop me about it? No. I'm gonna start on the back. Lord knows how hard it will be for me to try to tell y'all what I'm doing and show y'all I can do it right at the same time. But once I get up here and everything's all visual and super duper easy, I'll come back to y'all. I'm back. This is actually taking me like not long. Like it's only almost 12 o'clock. I mean, yeah, that'd be pushing it up to like almost 3 hours from doing the twisties, but it's going like pretty fast. I get up close and personal. First of all, I underestimated how much hair I have. Like, I don't know why I keep doing that. I still have plenty of hair. I still have this whole thing left, and then another black thing, and then I have the brown one. But first of all, we're gonna hold these two up here because I made the conclusion, actually no, I made the conclusion that these 2 pieces or 4 pieces are going to be brown. So we gonna save these and we gonna Bantu knot that up, you know? First thing I do, comb the bottom out, right? As you can see, all the hair. Take the Let's Jam, boop, put it on here. Put a good amount, you know, put a good amount to get it like this. So now that this is untwisted, we're gonna take the part that it gets twisted at. So like this little thing right here, you know, that you could hang it off of. And then, now all my thingies aren't perfect, okay? Like, I'm sure some of these in the back you can see the rubber band. But I don't care because it shouldn't be staring that hard into my head anyways. I'm going to put it over just like a box braid. And we're going to start braiding it into like a regular braid. You see that? Now, I'm going to stop here. Take half of this. Because actually you could just keep one on one side, but because my hair's thick, I split it into twos because I don't want too much going into one twisty. But then you just start to twisty, twist, see? See how easy that is? And that's what you keep doing to your whole head. My back hurts. You can see, almost done. Keep twisting. You don't gotta twist it all the way to the bottom, but I twist it fairly enough to the bottom. And then just twist it. Just twist it up, and then it'll coil up together by itself in areas. And yeah, that's the twist. Do the same thing on this side. Comb. Or on this ponytail thing. Not side. But we're gonna comb. Boom. Stick. Like my hair is really grown, y'all. If you've been with me for a while, you know how much my hair is grown. But like wow, look at that. Wow. Boom. Stick it over the rubber band. Braid it like a regular braid. And I mean, I kind of braid it like a lot, but like whatever at the same time, you feel me? Everything just flows together, honestly, so it's not really that big of a deal. Just do you. I'm very happy with this, and me using the brown, even though it's just brown, I've never, you know, done something like this before. This is spicy for me. This is really spicy. Twist. Boom. Cackalack. Okay, so I finished the other side, and it's time for the brown. Like that's cute, isn't it? Like I've never, something new. Comb. Pretty. No, it's not a lot, but I know it. I think it's different for me. Okay, I'm all finished. I'll just need to do my edges, okay? Like, This is cute, and it's not super long. Like I don't like that, but I like it. You know what I'm saying? Like usually, like I do like it to my behind, but like I like it this short too. Like this is a nice little height. And then I'm gonna be putting it up. I'm putting yes. So hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.